Ever wondered what paradise looks like from above? Not just some postcard, perfectly framed, double-filtered to hell and back. Join us in this video as we take a breathtaking drone tour over Hawaii's top places of interest, iconic beaches you've only dreamt about, the kind of water that looks photoshopped, so clear you can practically count the fish from space. We're diving deep into lush valleys, the kind of green that makes you rethink your entire color palette. And yeah, we'll even hit up those volcanoes because what's a trip to Hawaii without a little fiery drama? So buckle up, get ready for some serious wanderlust, and let's explore Hawaii like never before. Alright, let's kick things off in Waikiki. Yeah, I know what you're thinking, tourist trap, but trust me, even I was blown away by this place. The drone is picking up surfers catching perfect waves, families building sandcastles that would make Frank Gehry jealous, and more bikini-clad bodies than a Baywatch marathon. But look closer, see those hidden pockets of sand tucked away between the high-rises? Those are the real gems, the places where you can escape the crowds and find your own little slice of paradise. Next up, we're taking you to a place so epic, so jaw-droppingly gorgeous, that it makes Waikiki look like a kiddie pool. This, my friends, is the Na Pali coast. Think Jurassic Park, but with less dinosaur danger and more breathtaking beauty. Sheer cliffs plunging into turquoise water, waterfalls cascading down emerald valleys, and a coastline so rugged and untouched that you'll swear you've been transported to another planet. The drone is working overtime here, capturing every angle of this insane landscape. But honestly, even the most high-tech camera can't do this place justice. You have to see it to believe it. Okay, hold on to your hats, people, because things are about to get real. We're heading up, way up, to the summit of Haleakala, a dormant volcano that's home to the most surreal landscape you'll ever lay eyes on. Imagine a crater so massive, so otherworldly that it looks like a scene straight out of Star Wars. The ground is a patchwork of red, orange, and black volcanic rock, dotted with tiny green shrubs that somehow manage to survive in this harsh environment. It's like standing on the edge of the world looking out over a sea of white cotton candy. Alright, I know what you're thinking. Enough with the nature already. Show me some civilization. Well, ask and you shall receive. We're heading back down to Earth, literally, to explore the vibrant city of Honolulu. But don't expect any concrete jungles here. This is island life, people, which means even the city is surrounded by lush greenery and stunning ocean views. The drone is giving us a bird's-eye view of the iconic Diamond Head, the bustling harbor, and those high-rise hotels that are practically begging you to book a room. The energy is infectious, the people are friendly, and the food, oh man, the food is incredible. We've explored towering cliffs, active volcanoes, and bustling cityscapes, but we're ending our journey on a more peaceful note, in a place that embodies the true meaning of paradise, Hanauma Bay. Imagine a perfect crescent of white sand, fringed by swaying palm trees and crystal-clear water so blue it hurts your eyes. The drone is giving us a glimpse of turtles gliding through coral reefs, colorful fish darting through the shallows, and maybe even a few rays if we're lucky. And that's a wrap on our Hawaiian adventure. We've soared over towering cliffs, explored fiery volcanoes, and soaked up the sun on some of the most beautiful beaches in the world. But most importantly, we've experienced the true spirit of aloha. Hawaii is more than just a pretty face. It's a place where the people are warm, the culture is rich, and the natural beauty is simply breathtaking. So what are you waiting for? Book that trip, pack your bags, and get ready to experience the magic of Hawaii for yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone-tastic adventures. Mahalo!